So over here you can see that I have a bunch of tasks, and on the left hand side you can see that for certain tasks right here, hyperlinks has been added in. If you want to see those hyperlinks, like what hyperlinks has been added in, of course you can go around and right click on a particular item right here, go to hyperlink, and then you can copy the link, clear out the hyperlink, or edit the link or open the link right here. So you can do this. But if you want to view out all of the hyperlinks, then what you can do is you can actually add in a hyperlink column as well. So to do that, I'm going to go around and click on Insert Column, and over here I'm just going to go around and choose Hyperlink right here. Once you do that, I can expand this out, and you can see that this is what you have. You see the hyperlinks of each of the tasks right here. For script writing, you can see it's Wikipedia. For storyboarding, it's a JPEG file, which is an internal hyperlink. And over here, these are internal hyperlinks right here. This is inside of my computer, and this is a web address and email address, as you can see right here. So over here, if I were to go around onto, let's say, for example, this is the hyperlink right here. Well, let me just go around and insert out another column, and I'm going to go for hyperlink address right here. Once you go for hyperlink address, you see the same information right here just like this, but you don't see the hyperlink for the internal hyperlinks that you see right here. So these are just different variations right here just like this. Let me just go around and go to insert column and type in hyperlink right here. So there's sub address as well. So on the sub address, you only see the internal hyperlinks, as you can see right here. So I'm going to click on insert column again and type in hyperlink and hyperlink sref, and in this case you can see that hashtag shows in internal hyperlink, while the external ones don't show up anything and shows up as normal. And that is how you can show the hyperlink column to see what links are added in onto the different tasks inside of Microsoft Project. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.